This comes to you at $190,000 with a brand new tenant already in there, paying $1,695 a month in rent. In this particular business, most people that are landlords are just random one-off mom and pop landlords, and they are not professionally screening their tenants, and they're trying to sell you problems, right? So what you're buying here is actually going to be peace of mind. All right, y'all, today I got a nice one for you. This one's coming to you from my friends at Rent to Retirement. This is a brand new single-family house in Memphis, Tennessee, okay? This comes to you at $190,000 with a brand new tenant already in there, paying $1,695 a month in rent. Now, what I really want to talk to you guys about, what I think is a very important learning discussion about the business and real estate in general, is tenant screening and tenants, okay? So this particular property, right? The numbers, you could run your numbers. You could do the math yourself, right? Obviously, from a cash-on-cash return perspective, from a cap rate perspective, price-to-rent ratio, etc., the property pencils out, okay? That's obvious, right? It's a solid deal for you guys. But what I really want you guys to focus on, what we should really talk about today, is some strategy. And what I love is that this comes with a professional tenant in place. Also, as a nice incentive, Rent to Retirement, they're actually offering you guys free property management for a year, which is mighty fine, mighty nice of them. That's a cool little incentive, right? But that doesn't actually make or break your long-term investment, but that's just a nice little perk, right? But what makes or breaks long-term investments, guys, is how we operate these things, how we screen our tenants, how we treat these things as a business, right? And you could buy many different rental properties in Memphis, okay? There is no shortage of tired landlords in this business. There's no shortage of tired landlords in Memphis, right? No shortage of people who tried their hand at the real estate game, tried their hand at the landlord game, tried to be a property manager, put in tenants that were just terrible, made their lives miserable, and now they are trying to sell their problem to you, right? Because screening and placing the good tenants, it's a difficult task. It's a task that really it takes a professional to do that, and a lot of people get into real estate because they've been told that it is a easy business, a get-rich-quick business. But it's not. It's a tough business because it's not even really a numbers business. It's not even really like a building business. It's a people business. You got to be smart. You got to know how to screen the right tenants. And a lot of landlords fail at that. That's the number one thing that I see people failing at, is screening and placing their tenants, right? So when you buy this property, think about it this way. You're not just buying a property that's apples to apples like any other random Memphis property you're buying off the MLS. No, you're buying a property that is coming to you with proven property management in place and proven tenant placement and tenant screening, right? This tenant has went through the ringer on a professional standpoint, something that you would think is widely consistent across the board, but it's not. In this particular business, most people that are landlords are just random one-off mom and pop landlords, and they are not professionally screening their tenants, and they're trying to sell you problems, right? So what you're buying here is actually going to be peace of mind, because you know that there's already people who have proven that they are good at doing the tenant screening and placement process, and they are the ones who place this tenant for you. That is something you got to think about, because I deal with thousands of investors from around the country, and the number one most common thing that I see with people in the business, getting out of the business, just getting into the business, the biggest thing I see with all the people I deal with in this game, on a daily basis, is people who are tired of the business and they want out because they can't handle the tenants, right? That is the biggest thing. And that thing has already been taken care of for you, and it'll continue to be taken care of for you because you're going to get that property management on an ongoing basis. And like I said, the first year, it's going to be free. And then, of course, obviously, it's a brand new property, so your CapEx, your maintenance, you don't have a bunch of deferred maintenance like you would with like a 100-year-old house, right? So all in all, solid deal, but I really just wanted to illustrate to you guys. I wanted to really have you guys think about the strategy of the game and understand why you're buying what you're buying, right? Why are you buying real estate in general, right? You're probably buying it because you would like to put your money in a safe asset, right? Nothing's safer than housing, okay? You could invest your money in the stock market, but you don't know what the CEOs of these companies are going to do, right? Real estate's stable. People always need a place to live, right? And then you go somewhere like Memphis, southern state, Sunbelt state, right? It's got the trajectory. Values are going to continue to rise. It's a nice, safe place to put your investment, right? And then you go with the new construction, so it's even safer. And then you got the property management, professional tenant screening in place. It's all about safety, right? So it all makes sense, right? So if you guys are into that, that's what you want to do. Just go ahead and reach out to my friends at Rent to Retirement for more information or to place your bid on this particular property. They'll talk to you about their process. They'll talk to you about the property management, how you get the free property management, and they could also go over other things with you in case you'd like to add more than this particular property to your portfolio. All of their info should be on the screen now. If it's not, it will be in the show notes below. Let's get out there. Let's start putting our money in safe spaces and allowing it to grow for the future.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWiseTV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.